How to find quality settings on Spotify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your Spotify and now go to this one here in top corner and then go to settings, and here we'll find audio quality. Now just manage anything you want here, and that's it. You can manage streaming quality. You can make it low, normal, high, very high, anything you want, and that's it. Also download quality, and now just manage anything you want here and then just go back, it will be saved. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.